Well, hello friends, Mark Holmes here, and as always, thank you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing. We are here at day 2 with all of our volunteers. They're going to be putting another coat of paint on here. We're going to be putting a new roof on, and we're going to take these windows that are here out and put in. There's our homeowner. Hola. We're going to go through and we're going to put more of these windows in. So I have to take this one out, and you see where we had to cut this down to open it up a little bit more, and we're gonna have to go ahead and fix the concrete here. So we've actually got some concrete mortar that will go through, trowel it in. The good thing is it dries in about an hour, so we'll do a couple of thin coats and get it squared away. So we'll be out here with the scaffold. We're gonna cut right across here, open it up a little more, then put in our new windows and things, and it'll be really nice. So let's take a look at the inside. Our volunteers got here before us, and they've been getting all the tools out and ready to go. Good morning.
Hello.
Hey, Mark. How are we doing? Yes, sir.
Hi, everybody.
There's 3 marks here, so I hear Mark and my ears pop up. So we're gonna get a volunteer to start taking out these screws in here, so we can get this cut open. And then this whole roof is coming off and going to be replaced. Also, we're going to take these kitchen cabinets. Those are going to come out, and we're going to put in the new ones that are over here. And we're going to take care of electrical issues. See, we've got this outlet that is not exactly where you want it to be, but we're going to put a GFI plug in here, a cover on it, and we're going to get it tightened to the wall. All of the old outlets and stuff, we're going to get covers put on these. So we're going to try and make it as safe as possible. Try and make it look a lot better. We're going to take up the flooring.
Yeah, I need to go. I'm going to leave you on
in
this
here so we can get that squared away. We got volunteers getting the materials out of the way. So we're going to get that squared away. We got the doors put on yesterday. Those will get painted along with all the hallways. And back in the bathroom here, we're at Home Depot this morning. We have some plumbing issues that we're going to deal with. The faucet, the only way to turn it on and off is basically the shutoff. So we got a new faucet for here, and you can see all the towels that are down here that are catching the water from the toilet. So we're going to rebuild the toilet, get that squared away, and hopefully be good to go. How are you feeling this morning?
Great.
Not worn out from yesterday? Welcome to my world. That's every day. So we're going to get to work here. This is day number 2. Everybody's pitching in. My man here, he hung those doors like a champ. He's got the lock. He's like, okay. He's like, get out of the way so I can get to work. All right, so we're going to keep on going through. And, oh, wow. They're getting all the flooring out of here. We're going to take up all this tile here, and this is going to be the new laminate floor. I am excited as can be, and I've talked too much, so let me get to work.
He had meetings today, and he's sending you today.
Don't trip. And here we go. All right, so that's where we are. Ready up, and there's our fearless leader, Brian. Brian, how are we doing today?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Not supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? All right, I'm done. I'm getting to work.